It's graduation season. Class of 2019, where you at?
Yeah, in the trap, hanging places that you can't go. Glock 40, he got smoky at a Draco.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria if you've never seen me before, and today's video is just gonna be all the details on my cap, from my cap and gown, from my graduation, just because when I posted it on Instagram, you guys are showing mad love. When I posted it on YouTube, you guys are showing mad love. So I figured I need to just go in detail, because once I posted it on YouTube, there were some comments asking me questions about my cap, and then even on Instagram, people were asking me questions about, you know, certain details. So I just figured, why don't I just make a whole separate video and just really get in depth on how I created this cap. It really shouldn't be a long video because it's really not that much I have to explain, but everyone did have a lot of the same questions, so I figured, why don't I just go on ahead and answer them in one go and then be done. So here's my cap. A lot of the questions people had were mainly based on this part, because in the video I literally just kind of pulled this out of nowhere and then like put it on the cap. I did quickly say, you know, like I did use Photoshop to put the graduation cap on my head. Yeah, I didn't really get into detail about what app I used and, you know, like what filter I used, etc. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna do it on my phone and I'm gonna screen record it just so you guys can see everything and how I did it. Okay, you guys, so bear with me because I've screen recorded this like 5 times and my screen record just keeps stopping. Like, I don't know what's good, but it does not want me to be great and it's really getting on my nerves. This is like take 20 of this because it keeps stopping. But anyways, so you see that there's 2 apps. There's one called Prisma, there's one called Cartoon Face. They're both really good. They both have a lot to choose from. I think Cartoon Face has a lot more to choose from, but I use Prisma. So once you open it up, it brings you to your camera so you can take a picture and you can edit that, or you can go to your gallery and choose the picture that you want. So this is the picture that I wanted. I kind of just went through the filters and chose which one I liked. Didn't really like this one. Didn't really like this one. This one I absolutely hated because I feel like it just added mad stretch marks all over the picture. Like, I don't even know what happened there. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, what? Okay, so I just accidentally swiped the screen and found out that you can change how much the effect affects your picture. I did not know this. I literally just discovered this right now on camera with y'all. Anyway, so mine was at 100 because I didn't know that, but whenever you guys use it, I guess you guys can choose how much of the effect that you want to use. These over here, I feel like you just have to pay for them. That's why they're locked. I didn't do that. I used Tokyo, which was free with the app, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the screen record. I did Photoshop the cap onto myself before I edited the picture in Prisma. I don't really know a lot about Photoshop, but I did take a graphic design class and my mom is also a graphic designer, so I kind of just used the knowledge that I've seen in those places and just like, you know, place the cap on myself in Photoshop. It wasn't an app, it wasn't like anything else. I did it on my computer on Photoshop. So yeah, I literally just used the Prisma app, Tokyo filter. I just printed it out on a color piece of paper and I cut myself out of the paper and glued myself on. Somebody asked me how did I turn my picture into a sticker or something like that, and I didn't turn it into a sticker. I mean, I guess it would be a ghetto sticker, but it wasn't like, I didn't print it out on like sticker paper and then peel it back off and place it on the cap. It didn't work like that. Next for my cap would be these letters. This is what they look like in the pack. I know you can't really see them because they're white, but that's what it looks like. You could glue the letters on, but they are also stickers, so they will stay. I did have trouble with some of the letters staying on, so I did glue some of the letters, but not all of the letters. This trim, like the border, I thought this was so cute, and this was like a last minute buy. I just saw it and I was like, yeah, this is mad cute, I'm gonna add it. And this is what it looks like in the pack, mad cute. I literally just cut it to like fit, because they're a little bit longer than the cap, so I just cut it to fit and then I glued them down on the cap. Last but not least, these stickers. So this one says we did it, and then this one is like a degree, or I guess it would be a diploma if you're in high school. I decided I just want to like stick those on there because it would be cute. Everything on this cap is from Michaels, obviously except for me because I printed that out, but everything else, the paper, the letters, the stickers, the border, are all from Michaels, because Michaels is the GOAT when it comes to arts and crafts, okay? Like, if you didn't know, now you know. I'm forgetting something, the glue. This is the glue that I used, High Performance Repair Glue by Scotch. It says that it works for wood repair and much more, and I think on the pack, before you open it, it said like fabric and whatever. Honestly, I don't know anything about anything. I just saw this and I was like, okay, it says fabric, this is fabric. It says paper, this is paper, so it's just gonna have to work. and it worked. That is pretty much it. That is all the tea on my graduation cap. I hope you guys got the answers to all of your questions. I just felt like I really kind of didn't really give you guys all the tea, so my bad for that. And I hope that you love this video as much as you guys love my cap. Again, thank you so much for all the love that I got on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. I did work really hard on it, so I'm happy that it came out good. I'm happy that you guys liked it. And yeah, now I'm just rambling, so I'm gonna go. Comment and let me know if you decorated your cap, because hello, like I want to see. It's graduation season. Class of 2019, where you at? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.